In a vast, endless plain, there lived an extraordinary stallion named Spirit. Unlike the other horses, Spirit was a creature of solitude, for he possessed a unique gift, the ability to understand the whispers of the wind. One day, a group of bandits descended upon the plain, seeking to capture and sell Spirit for profit. They cornered him, and Spirit, knowing the fate that awaited him, felt the weight of the world on his shoulders. He stood his ground, his eyes meeting those of the bandits. "Why do you seek to take me?" he asked, his voice as deep as the earth itself. The bandits were taken aback, for they had never heard a horse speak before. The leader of the bandits scoffed, "We'll sell you for a fortune. You're unlike any horse we've ever seen." Spirit, however, remained silent, his eyes unwavering. Suddenly, a gust of wind swept across the plain, carrying with it the voice of Spirit's grandmother, a wise mare who had passed away long ago. "Remember, Spirit, you are more than just a horse. You are a symbol of freedom and the spirit of the wind." Inspired, Spirit snapped into action. With a swift kick, he sent the leader of the bandits tumbling, breaking their grip on him. The bandits, taken aback, retreated, their plans thwarted. Spirit stood tall, his heart filled with a newfound sense of purpose. He was no longer just a horse, he was a symbol of courage, a beacon of hope, and a reminder that even the smallest among us can make a difference. In the years that followed, Spirit roamed the plains, sharing his gift with all who crossed his path. He became a legend, a story told by the wind, a reminder that sometimes, the most powerful force is not physical strength, but the strength of spirit.